Today I'm so thrilled to share with you a powerful secret for hair growth. Bhringraj Hair Mask. Known as the king of herbs for hair, Bhringraj is packed with benefits that can transform your hair. Bhringraj Hair Mask nourishes the scalp and hair follicles, making them stronger and less prone to breakage. In this video, I will show you how to make this nourishing hair mask at home and how it can help you to achieve longer, stronger and healthier hair. Let's dive right in. We need 2 ingredients to make this Bhringraj hair mask. We will need fresh Bhringraj leaves. Bhringraj stimulates hair follicle and promotes faster hair growth. It strengthens the hair roots and reduces hair fall. We will need some curd. Curd nourishes and conditions the hair. First, wash the Bhringraj leaves thoroughly to remove any dirt or impurities. Next, add a handful of Bhringraj leaves to the mixer. Add half a cup of curd into the mixer. The curd helps to create a smooth paste and adds its own nourishing properties to the mask. Blend the ingredients together until you get a smooth, consistent paste. It should look something like this. Section your hair with a wide tooth comb. Start by applying the mask directly to your scalp. Using the brush, gently apply the mask in small sections, ensuring that you cover the entire scalp. This helps to stimulate the hair follicles and promotes better absorption of the nutrients. Apply the mask to the length of your hair. Put a bun and leave it on for 30 minutes. Use a mild herbal shampoo to rinse the mask off. The natural darkening properties of Bhringraj delays the grey hair, keeping your hair color vibrant for longer. I left it for an hour and washed it with mild herbal shampoo. All natural hair, no straightening, no perming, no smoothening, keratin or any other salon treatments. I also avoid e-tools like blow dryer to keep my hair healthy. And this is how it looks. I hope you enjoyed learning about the Bhringraj hair mask and its amazing benefits for hair growth. If you found this video helpful, then do share it with your friends and family who are suffering from hair fall and hair thinning, so that it will be useful for them too. Leave a comment if you have any questions or if there's any particular treatment that you want me to cover next. Until next time, take care. Bye. Idiyappama. Today, I'm super excited. Idiyappama.